Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And I have a big Miss A haul. And Miss A is a website that does, well, it carries AOA makeup, and they carry all sorts of things. Everything is usually $1. But they do have a couple of products that are more expensive, but there were a lot of people go to get their makeup cleaning products. So I definitely went ahead and picked up this, which is actually a cleaner that you can use to clean your brushes. I also picked up this, which is Renew Plus, which is actually for the face and a physical exfoliant. They have sponges, and I know a lot of people go ahead and order their sponges from Miss A because they're only $1 a piece. This one feels very nice. As far as the makeup and getting into that, I did go ahead and get the Glow Baby. This is their glow up that you can put on as a primer underneath makeup. It is very glowy, and they also have it in 5-packs in different colors. So that's kind of what that does. And I do have that underneath my makeup today. I did actually, from a previous haul, I had the AOA Studio Perfect. This is a BB cream, and this is a concealer, and I do have those on today as well. And then I did go ahead and get some of the Velour eyeshadow, and I consider this to be the best eyeshadow on that site. These are the two shades that I have on my eyes today, and they're a really good cream eyeshadow product. And as far as getting a couple of swatches, let's go ahead and do that. And so here are the swatches on those, and again, that's on top of the Glow formula. The Glow formula does have a scent to it. It's like the Wet n Wild original foundation, but I only had that once, and then I opened the tube the second time and I didn't have that smell. So definitely a good glowy product if you want to give it a shot there. As far as the main makeup item and why I actually did the haul is for the baked blushes, and I think they're gorgeous. This is the packaging on them. And then as far as the swatches, I went ahead and did these. They're baked. They're very, very glowy. I have the golden apricot on today. And so, like I said, they're a very, very glowy blush. And that's kind of what, yeah. So as far as these, they come in 8 shades. They have them divided up on the website into 4 shades for lighter skin and 4 shades for darker skin. But with everything as far as the pandemic goes, I just wanted to make sure that I had all the shades, because I had about 5 of them and I managed to drop and break them, and they've been taken places and they're just sort of worn. So I went ahead and got some more. And I did get all 8 shades, so I spent $8 on all 8 shades. And just a good pressed or baked formula. And like I said, here are all those blushes. And as far as rest of what I have on my face, I have the Flower Heatwave bronzer, I have the Sky High mascara, and then I have a Colourpop eyeliner on there. So those are what I got as far as makeup. I got a new brush because, hi again, I think my battery died there. So we were talking about the Miss A haul that I just did, and how a lot of people will go ahead and do this to go ahead and get products like sponges for $1 or cleaning supplies. I got this one that you can help wash your brushes with, brush cleaner. So there are a lot of things on the website that just really work well. Again, I don't know if I mentioned, but I got the AOA BB cream and the AOA concealer. These were both $1 each, and so I also got the Jelly Jam, which is a lip mask for at night, the lip gloss with the argan oil in it, again for night. As far as other things for summer, I got a tanning mitt. Again, everything's $1. And then I went ahead and got the Velvet reusable cotton pads. These are for washing your face at night. And with these, this was my most expensive purchase. This was actually $10. And so the reusable cotton pads that you can use to wipe your face at night, or, wash your face at night. And let's see, what else did I get? I think that's about all. But like I said again, I think the best products are going to be the Lumi blushes. They are they're wonderful. They're a baked formula. They're very glowy. I have golden apricot on today. There are 8 colors, and I think they're the best thing on the website. As far as makeup, a close second is going to be the Velour eyeshadow. It's a cream eyeshadow. It's what I have on today, and it's a very pretty product as well. And I think we got through my entire haul, and it was a big haul. So I guess that's it, and thank you, and have a great day, okay? Bye.